Not all phishing attacks look the same, and understanding the different types of phishing tactics is critical to recognizing threats before they succeed. When most people think of phishing, they picture mass messages that impersonate well-known organizations. These attacks are sent out to large numbers of people and usually appear to come from banks, shipping companies, cloud service providers, and more. The messages often include generic greetings, suspicious links, or unexpected attachments. In 2025, a widespread smishing campaign targeted consumers by impersonating toll agencies such as EasyPass. Victims were sent realistic text messages that led to fake toll payment pages designed to steal personal financial information. In some cases, users reported receiving up to 7 messages per day. On the other hand, spear phishing is a very different technique that relies on highly personalized, scalable targeting. Instead of casting a wide net, attackers research a specific person, team, or department. Advances in AI have significantly increased the effectiveness of this kind of attack by allowing cybercriminals to customize messages at scale. An even more targeted version of spear phishing is known as whaling. Whaling attacks focus on executives, owners, or senior leaders. These messages often involve urgent financial requests, legal issues, or sensitive business matters. In 2025, an annual report analyzing crypto phishing losses showed that attackers are increasingly prioritizing high net worth executives over low-value targets. Another increasingly common technique is clone phishing. Attackers often obtain the original email by breaking into an inbox, compromising a vendor or coworker's account, or collecting messages exposed in a data breach. In this attack, a cybercriminal copies a legitimate email that the user had previously received, such as a delivery notice, invoice, or shared document, and resends it with one critical change. The original link or attachment is replaced with a malicious one. The message appears to come from a trusted sender and often references a familiar action, making it more likely the recipient will click. In the past, attackers relied on sheer volume, sending massive numbers of phishing emails with the expectation that someone would eventually click. Today, phishing has shifted towards quality over quantity. Attackers now choose their targets more strategically, resulting in fewer but more convincing emails that carry a greater impact if successful. Because of this, employees in finance, HR, IT, healthcare, and leadership roles are often attractive targets since they have access to sensitive data, payment systems, or personal information. That said, no employee is immune. While various phishing attacks may look different on the surface, the tactics behind them remain consistent. Attackers rely on urgency, authority, and fear to pressure victims into acting quickly. Understanding these tactics help employees focus less on the number of suspicious emails they receive and more on identifying the subtle warning signs within highly convincing messages.